Welcome to Mimi's Media. In this video today, we are going to do an update for our website. We are basically going to update all the different plugins. It is very important to make sure that before you update your website, you want to make sure that you have backup everything, backup all the pages. The reason why you want to back up your website is because sometimes when you update your plugin or plugins, some of the plugin may affect your website and may cause your website not to function properly. So by backing up your website, you can then go back to the previous version of your website prior to the update. So for example, I'm going to go to plugins. I'm going to click on all my plugins, and I have already updated my website. So I'm just going to go down the list and just click update, and you should see everything should turn green. Well, for the ones that I update should turn green. So that's done. That is done. And then just go down the list and just click on update, and they should just up there. I should go down the list. Again, it is very important to make sure that you have backup your website before making any update. So, and once you do that, everything should be updated, and you should see that should all turn green for the most part. And let's see, okay, still waiting on these. What's the next two? Okay. Yeah, as you can see, I have updated my website, updated all my plugins. And just to go here, I'm gonna check the comments to see what are my comments. Okay, these seems to be all spam. I'll mark that as spam. Mark that as spam. Okay, these okay, so these approve. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the website is fully updated and ready to go. So again, thank you for watching my channel. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.